Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's dinner, we are going to make a comforting Asian style fried pork chop. Here's what you'll need. Flour, panko crumbs, eggs, ginger, and some scallion. So we have our pork loin here. We're not going to use all of it. You'll also need some white pepper, salt, oyster sauce, rice wine, and some soy sauce. Now we're going to smash our green onions and then slice them into a few pieces. Now smash the 2 garlic cloves. Then cut a few pieces of ginger and smash those too. It's kind of therapeutic, well, for me at least. Now you're going to take your pork tenderloin and smash that on one side and then the other. I don't know where my meat tenderizer went, but the back of this knife works as well. After tenderizing the meat, transfer the pork loins into a bowl or plate. Now let's marinate our pork chops. First, we have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for seafood. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, one tablespoon of rice wine, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 3 pinches of salt, and 1 tablespoon of just normal soy sauce. Now just mix the marinade with the meat and give it a good massage for about a minute. Now that we massaged our pork, you're going to leave it for 15 minutes. Let's crack 2 eggs and beat them to get an egg mixture. Take the panko mix and dump it into a plate. Once the meat has marinated for 15 minutes, we're going to coat it in flour.
Just listen.
Then the egg. Then the panko. Let's take a pan and fill that up with some oil. Once it's hot enough to fry the pork loin, add it carefully into the pan for 3 minutes on one side and then another 3 minutes on the other. You can hear it still, it's sizzling. Okay guys, here is my plate. I have some roasted broccoli with some rice and the pork loin right there. It's hella big. But let's taste test it.
Just listen.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna taste test this. There, I put a little bit of Tonkatsu sauce on there. Super tasty, comforting. If you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys next time. So good.
listen.